I'm on a mission to see every bird in the world, and while I was driving, I spotted this.
Oh my god, what is that? Is that a swamp harrier? Some kind of falcon or some shit. I'm gonna pull over. I don't know if I'm allowed to pull over here. This is incredible. That is a swamp harrier. That is a swamp harrier. I'm not gonna make it in time. I didn't get the best photo, but that is a swamp harrier if I've ever seen one.
And just when I thought it was over, I spotted what I thought was the same bird.
I think I see him.
But after a closer look, I realized I'd found a whistling kite.
Whistling kite. On the Pokédex.